the main draw of the US Open will be done today. So we will know kung sino yung mga makakalaban ng top 32 seeds, lalong-lalo na kay number 17 seed Alex Ayala, our very own. So while we are waiting for that, who are the title favorites to win the US Open? And is Alex Ayala one of the title favorites? Well, for me, she is. Why? Prior to the US Open, there were 3 major hardcourt tournaments. So the champions of those 3 hardcourt tournaments should be considered as title favorites. So Alex Ayala, as the champion of the Mubadala Open, the WTA 500 event, which she won against Jessica Figula in the final, she should be one of the favorites as the champion of that tournament. And the next one who should be another title favorite is Iga Swiatek, as she won the Canadian Open in Toronto in the title match against world number 2 Elena Rybakina. And who is next? Of course, it should be Coco Gauff, the Cincinnati Open champion, who won it against Jessica Pegula in the championship match. So Ayala, Swiatek, and Gauff should be the top 3 favorites to win it all in the US Open. Who are the others? Of course, we have to include world number 3 Jessica Pegula. She was involved in 2 finals of those 3 hardcourt tournaments. And the next one is Elena Rybakina, the runner-up in the Canadian Open to Iga Swiatek. And lastly, it should be defending champion and world number 1 Aryna Sabalenka. So what do you think of my list as the title favorites to win the US Open? Aside from the 6, is there anyone that you think can win it all? Please comment here.